Have you ever heard sand sing? In various deserts around the world, from the Namib Desert to the Great Sand Dunes in Colorado, phenomenon known as singing sands occurs. When grains of sand move, they can create harmonic sounds resembling music. This extraordinary phenomenon typically happens when the sand is dry and has a specific size and shape. As the grains slide over each other, they vibrate and produce low-frequency sounds that can be heard from a distance. The unique conditions required for this to happen make it a rare occurrence, leaving many to marvel at nature's ability to create music from the simplest elements. It's a reminder of the wonders that exist in our world.